Although, kasi hindi ko nakalimutan. Actually, nakalimutan ko nga talaga kahapon. Nagawa ko siya. So this is day 9, 10 of the Build in Public for AI for Pinoys. No? So this is G. But this new application that I'm actually working on, which is called Anti-Gravity by Google. It's basically an IDE. And ano ba yung IDE? Para lang siyang windsurf, cursor. It's basically AI-assisted coding tool. No? Um, ginamit ko lang siya kasi nga namomroblema lagi ano yung momroblema parang nauubusan ang oras ko lang paggagawa ng thumbnail to for the video na ginagawa ko ngayon for the Build in Public, for app reviews, for how-to tutorials. A very easy thumbnail creator kasi ginagamit ko naman si Gemini to do that. In Gemini or are they using an API to do cover photo na thumbnail? Iisa lang naman yung style lang naman niya. So basically, upload ko yung photo ko. Kailangan may context na ng hook title. Ganun lang naman. So may prompts na ako ginagamit constantly paulit-ulit. So copy paste, upload, copy paste, download. Ganyan lang. So parang sabi ko, siguro sa isang or for these things, kasi may one day ako to do all of the edits. Parang ubos yung oras mo lang. Siguro mga isang oras ka or 2 oras mo yan or 3 gagawin para paulit-ulit lang. So what if we can make it short? Ginamit ko tong tool na to, which is called Anti-Gravity by Google. Ito yung nagawa niya. So, ano na siya, ito is first labas niya. Hindi naman ganito kaganda. Pero maganda na siya. It was working as a prototype. The only reason why it became like this is because gumawa ko na, so it's a very detailed project requirement document or PRD. Usually yan ang bago ko mag-develop ng isang application or any project, you wanna highlight all those important stuff. Yung pagaya ng user interface, anong color scheme, paano yung technical specifications niya, paano ba siya gagamit ng API, or anong security component niya, paano yung experience, ganyan. So lahat, ilalagay ayos mo yun. Gumawa mo na ako ng mga gano'n in different phases. Kala ko matatapos ko siya like mga 2 araw, 3 araw. Yung isip ko, 1 week. Grabe. 2 hours nagawa na niya to. Like, literally nagawa niya to. Ang dami ko ng demo nga. So it's basically, it generates, tawag ko sa kanya, less than a minute, thumbnails for educational creators. Kasi it's designed for people who create or people like myself who does content specifically to educate Filipinos. Sa akin naman, yun ang ano ko, Filipino business owners, freelancers, students, or so, ang ginawa ko is basically, every time nagkakaroon ako ng recording nito, like for example, dina-download o automatic kasi nada-download na yung .srt file. So, binase ko lahat to sa workflow ko lang. So, inayos ko lang yung workflow ko in a sequence para alam ko lang yung pagkasunod-sunod, ano yung mga prompts na ginagamit ko, project requirement document. No? So, gagawin mo lang sa kanya is, yan, so ito yung dashboard. You can generate your hook muna, yung title, yung text, no? Kasi ito yung magiging output niya. So, pakita ko muna yung output. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, pwede ka mamili ng kung gusto mo ng vertical, which is for YouTube short, kung gusto mo ng portrait, for YouTube shorts, or Instagram shorts, or TikTok. Kung gusto mo naman landscape, para sa mga long form videos. Okay? Lagi ko mukha ginagamit ko. Sabi ko, gawa na lang tayo ng isang pasadahan na lang, like, so you can upload yung brand asset, yung logo mo, yung brand colors, etc. To create that. So gagawin mo lang is just basically upload mo na yung .srt and fan script. And then gagawa na siya ng hook. So yung hook niya, ito yan, yung mga lumalabas yan. Canva versus AI. Thumbnails, just got easier. Yun ang mga, yun nagiging lalagay niya yung text na ganyan. Binagawa ko pa sa kanya is, it would suggest aning high na makiklik ko kasi nga doon sa thumbnail na yun. So meron siyang ranking rin kung high possible or low or medium siya. It will just give you options so you can choose that and you can regenerate it. In 2 hours, 3 hours. So, and hindi pa ako, distracted pa ako sa ginagawa na iba. But nagawa niya rin naman to. So, natuwa lang ako kasi because it's legit. You can now download this as well. Hindi na mo problema. You can download it easily. I can add it as a favorite para magiging reference na rin siya. There's another feature na ginawa ko. You can create your own hook library. So I'm sharing this because if you ever find yourself creating an application or you want to create something, no? The best methodology for me or what works for me is hanapin mo muna ikaw mismo before you go to your clients or what's wrong with your process or what you can improve with your process. Ball naman yung this one you have to pay. Kasi part na siya ng kaganda sa kanya, part na kasi siya subscription ko sa Google. So it's included already na ako. Hindi ka na magbabayad ng additional fees, no? Kasi you're paying it within the Google ecosystem already. So that's why I like Gemini and Google a lot because all these stuff are all accessible within their ecosystem solution. Madami na ako nasabi. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na ano yung yung pinagkaabalaan ko lang. So today din kasi inayos ko din siya and I started doing another one which is using the same application of anti-gravity. Wala, natuwa lang kasi like legit nagagawa niya to. Pati yung logo ng AI for Pinoy's nasama na rin. Nalagay sa mug. Ito mali nga lang yung mukha ng tao, hindi ako yan. So yun lang. I wanted to share that and have a great day for day 9 and 10.